most interesting creatures in the sea. It has very interesting designs and bright colors on it, and it has an extremely soft body with no shell to protect it. This external appearance is very attractive to other creatures, but the striking colors of this sea slug announce to predators that it is very poisonous. In other words, because of its colors, it has a natural defense against its enemies. This creature is a mollusk called a scallop. Did you notice the row of shiny little blue dots around the edges of its shell? These dots are not merely a decoration. Each one is also an eye. Each of these eyes is only a millimeter in size, but they allow the creature, despite its small size, to escape from its enemies. Allah has created all living things with attributes appropriate to the environment in which they live. The creatures we looked at in this section are only a small sample of Allah's creative artistry. Allah has no partner in creation. He holds everything under His control. There is no other God besides Allah. Allah, He is the Almighty, the All-Wise. Have you ever wondered how it is that plants grown in the same soil and watered with the same water have so many different colors? The same species of plant has the same characteristics everywhere in the world. For example, oranges everywhere in the world have the same color, shapes, and peel. The color of the transparent membrane, which lies inside the peel, and which constitutes the little sacs filled with orange-colored perfumed sweet liquid, never changes anywhere in the world. Bananas are yellow all over the world, and cherries are red. No matter where you go in the world, you will not see a naturally grown strawberry with a different color to any other. Everywhere in the world, the DNA of a strawberry contains the elements that make it a strawberry as we know it. The strawberry's color, smell, and taste are always the same, wherever it may be. An apple's skin can be red, green, or yellow, and has a smooth luster. This is an incomparable ordering of things. It certainly cannot be maintained that this order developed by itself, by chance. The one who possesses this incomparable artistry covering the whole world is Allah, the All-Knowing and the All-Wise. In the Quran, Allah draws our attention to the appearance of different crops from the earth. In the earth there are diverse regions side by side, and gardens of grapes and cultivated fields, and palm trees sharing one root and others with individual roots, all watered with the same water. And we make some things better to eat than others. There are signs in that for people who use their intellect. Allah has created the colors and outward appearance of all the plants on the earth so as to be pleasing to the human soul. When we think of flowers and trees, we see the same aesthetic appearance and variety of color. Every species of flower on the face of the earth is endowed with its own particular characteristics. For example, the color of violets and the velvety soft texture of their leaves, colorful roses with their incomparable scent, and delicate red carnations are all unique. There is only one way to explain why flowers, trees, vegetables, and fruits came to possess different colors despite the fact that they spring from the dark soil. They are proof of Allah's endless knowledge and incomparable creation. Allah created plants with their different colors and designs as a blessing for human beings. It is our duty to think about the signs that Allah has created and to give Him thanks. In a verse of the Quran, Allah says, "And also the things of varying colors He has created for you in the earth. There is certainly a sign in that for people who pay heed." No logical person can possibly maintain that the endless beauty we see in the world, the colorful butterflies, roses, violets, cherries, and attractively colored parrots and peacocks. In short, all life on earth, in all its splendor, came about by chance. Allah created living things with these qualities. When a person of intelligence and conscience looks around in his environment, he can easily see the truth of this because Allah created everything so that we could know Him and think about Him. Allah's knowledge embraces every place. There is no other God but Allah. The duty of a human being is to approach the true author of all these beauties he beholds and to lead a life pleasing to Him. That is Allah, your Lord. There is no God but Him, the Creator of everything. So worship Him. He is responsible for everything.